was lucky enough to be part of the Althea's beauty brand ambassador community, the Althea Angels, and since it's their 3rd anniversary, they sent us this box which contains a lot of stuff. Shinare ko na yun sa inyo guys, so yeah. So ayun, meron tayong pouch guys, pink pouch na malaki naman siya, and oh yeah. And then they also sent us a mirror, so super matagal ko na gusto magkaroon ng ganito kasi ayan. So ito yung mirror guys, ayan siya, super nice, white lang, then may nakasulat na spread your wings and the Althea Angel logo. Meron din tayong real fresh detoxer, yung green tea and yung rose guys, super ganda nito. It's a daily 10-second wash off mask guys, so usually sa mga mask we leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, pero ito guys, 10 seconds lang. It's a new product from Althea guys, so I'm so excited to try this. As in, medyo super addict ako sa mask, so kaya ayan. Super thank you Althea for this one. I'm excited to use it, so yeah, we're gonna do a video of this one. And watch out for the video guys! We're gonna post it soon! And aside from that, meron din tayong cute nitong mga cute na parang mga book lang for our flat lay, which I don't know if you guys can see. Sobrang init. Pawis na ako guys. And ano pa ba guys? Meron din tayong tote bag guys, super cute lang. So, may nakalagay na Althea Turns 3 and yung 3 book plus Althea's logo. So, ayan. Lastly, guys, meron tayong card. Meron siyang discount code, 10% off. So, I think you can also use it. Althea Turns 3 yung promo code. You guys can get 10% off when you buy sa Althea. So, yung code, magagamit niyo siya until September 30. So, ayan guys, very quick lang yung video natin. That's it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment down below, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel guys for more videos like this. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye! Bye! Oh, sobrang init!